Here is the question. Father father is aged three times more than his son Ronit. That is Ronit is there and his father is there. Correct, bache? And suppose the age of Ronit be X years. Present age is X years. Then his father's age is present age is accord, according to the question. Father is aged three times more than his son Ronit. Father's age is what? You know very well, three times of percentage of Ronit is definitely 3x. But the question is what? Father is aged three times more than. More than, that is, Ronit age is X years and father's age is three times more. His son Ronit. Correct, bache? That's why present age of his father be 4x years. Correct or not? Now we know very well present, past and future. Correct, bache? After 8 years, here the age is x year, father's age is 4x years. That is here Ronit age and his father's age. Present age is x and 4x years. Correct, bache? After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. Actually, after 8 years, Ronit's age will be x plus 8 years and his father's age will be 4x plus 8 years. Correct or not, bache? Correct or not? That's why, according to the question, father's age 4x plus 8 is 2.5 times of Ronit's age, which is equals to 4x plus 8 is equals to 4 to the 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2 times of x plus 8. Got it, bache? Cross multiply, then we get 8x plus 16 is equals to 5x plus 40, and that's why 3x is equal to 24. Got it or not? Got it, bache? Now we know very well x is equals to 8. That is Ronit's present age is 8 years and father's age is 32 years. Correct, bache? That is in future, Ronit's age is 16 years and father's age is will be 32 years. 32 plus 8, that is 40 years. Got it, bache? Again, for after further 8 years, how many times would he be of Ronit's age? That is after 8 years. After 8 years, after further 8 years, that is after 16 plus 8, that is 24 years of Ronit, will be Ronit's age, and 48 age is will be of Ronit's father age. Correct, bache? This is correct or not? That is, Runit's age is 24 years and father's age will be 48 years, which is two times of Runit's age. That is 48 is equals to 2 times of 24 years. That's why correct option is what? A. Got it, bache? Clear or not? Clear, bache? Any doubt in this question? Very good. Taking next question.